I want to apologize to the family, to the people of Lango, to the people of Uganda, to the people of Africa, because Uganda is, there are 1.6 million refugees here. Because people don't know where to run, they are now running here. Now here where they are running, you have got these weaknesses. No, no, it will not happen. I want to assure you that the way we crushed all the bad groups, we shall crush even these thieves. The 2003, when Kony invaded Teso, I went there to fight with Kony. And I told Mhoz Kainerugaba, this MK, at that time he had joined the army, to mobilize all the bodyguards, these bodyguards here. All of them go to the front line. Many of them hid under the beds. I will not tell you what solution I had for them, but I had some solution for them. So within the army, please, this is a very big embarrassment for the army. This is a very big embarrassment for the army. That somebody from you, whom you deployed to guard a useful cadre, ended up killing him. That's not good for you. As the army, you can't cover it up. This one, no. You must accept full responsibility. Why was it? What happened? How could it get to this extent until this boy killed the person he was about to guard? This is terrible. So the army will have to sort out its own internal problems.